Hi, this is Jason from Sports Zone Toys and Comics. Today we're going to open up the just arrived, 21-22 Panini Mosaic Basketball Blaster Box. So it's almost time for the trade deadline has expired, and we got Durant moving on to a new team. But we're gonna break rookie product that just came out from last year, 21-22. This is the Cade Cunningham draft class. Jalen Suggs. Here we got Davion Mitchell, Evan Mobley. Yeah. So this year, the Mosaic Blaster is going to feature 6 cards a pack, 6 packs per box. There's 4 Mosaic Prisms per box. You can get a Blaster exclusive Mosaic Orange Fluorescent Prisms numbered to 25. You can also look for the ultra rare Mosaic Genesis Prisms, which actually those are really cool. And looks like that's it. So let's check it out. We'll have these on our website, sportszonetoyscomics.com. You can pick one up there as soon as this video posts. We're going to have those live so you can get on there and get your box. They're very inexpensive at this point. So jump on. In the store, you can come in, buy a box, buy a pack, whatever you like. And you can see the 6 packs. Now let's see what these look like, what we can pull here. Mo Bamba, Alex Caruso, Karl Anthony Towns, Grayson Allen. There's a Zach LaVine green prism. A Cade Cunningham national, see it's a rookie, but it's the National Pride version, so that's not the base rookie, but the high number rookie. Malcolm Brogdon, new team. Evan Fournier, Luke Kennard. There's a Thunder Lane LaMelo Ball. And see how they hide the debut in there. So most of the better rookies actually have 3 rookies in this set. So they're Franz Wagner, debut, and a NBA Finals MVP Dwayne Wade. That's a cool card. Base card. Jeremiah Grant. There's Jordan, Isaac Okoro, James Wiseman, Brandon Boston Jr., green, non-numbered, to go there. That's 2 of them. An all-time NBA, Giannis. Pack number 4. CJ McCollum, Andrew Wiggins. There's a LaMelo Ball green. So there's our 3rd green. Bam Adebayo Elevate green. Sengun rookie. And Corey Kispert rookie. Pack 5. Pascal Siakam. Zubic, Jalen Brunson, Andrew Wiggins in green, Anthony Simons, that is a silver prism parallel, Jalen Green, but it's the debut, it seems like it's really hard to get the base rookie of the better players. You keep getting the higher number card, but he's nevertheless a good one to get. Nikolai Vujicic. There's Cadwell Pope. Peyton Pritchard of the Celtics. There's an epic performer, James Harden, for the 76ers. A LeBron James All-NBA. And a Davion Mitchell, that is the base rookie. They start at 200, that's card 208. So there is our 21-22 just released Mosaic basketball blaster box. So remember to go on sportszonetoyscomics.com, pick up your own box, and please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and have a nice day.